They asked me if I still got it, provided by deep pockets. Took a chance on myself, I developed a sweet profit. They left it on the floor, so I swept it and mopped it. Run around. Hey man, I'm gonna need y'all to act like y'all understand what's going on, man.
Yes, sir.
Listen, man, y'all here with Bitting Up, man, aka BVN Up, aka Nucky Johnson, man. We here with the Rap Farm, and this is New Music Mondays, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit the like, y'all hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, man. Listen, I got a real special guest in here
Right.
today. This cool Monday, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready to get y'all at the beginning, man. Okay? I love his music, man. He's hella talented, man. He's a good dude, bro. Real nigga, bro.
Thank you.
We need more of these. I don't want nothing but the trio on my shit, man. The Rap Farm, you know, we can't have nothing but rap niggas on this bitch, man. LEEOH LITT. What's up, man? Hey, man, I'm happy to have you, bro. Listen. You got a serious story, man. You might look at him, you might look suave rico. But man, behind all that shit, behind the shade, man, you got a story to tell these people, man. And I can't, and every chance I see you tell it, it make me smile, bro. Now you telling on my platform, man. But before we even get into that, man, let these people know how you started the music, where you got the way you at with the music, what you know, where you from, how you coming, no daddy, all that type of shit.
No, I got you. Yeah, well, you know, I'm LEEOH LITT, man, and a little bit about me for those who don't know. I'm from the north side,
right?
You know, that's Gwinnett County, Balls Road, you know, Breckenridge, Decula, Norcross, you know, all that, Swanee, Snellville, everything up there. But what got me into the music was, you know, when I was young, I found myself in just a terrible situation, you know what I mean? And I ended up behind the wall. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Had to sit down for a minute.
No, I know.
Yeah. And during that time, I really was able to cultivate my skills because prior to going into that situation, I actually used to rap. I used to rap all the time. You know what I mean? But I didn't take it as serious. I really didn't understand the importance of it. But, you know, once you lose something, that's when you see what you're really missing.
Right.
You know what I mean? So I just took that time to cultivate, man. And as I went through that situation, no matter what I was going through, no matter the highs or the lows, music is what kept me sane. Music is what kept me focused. So I had to stay true to it. It was true to me.
Music is, I tell people all the time, music is another language, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, it's one of the ultimate coping tools, bro. And it'll music get people through. Listen, I can't praise music enough and where it brought me in my life, so I already know where you're coming from.
Right, yeah, bro. So it was a blessing. And I think that without music, I would have lost my mind. So it's like no matter what I do, how much money I make, or who I network with, what I accomplish, I always come back to the music. Okay, that makes sense. So, that make all the sense, bro. I love it. Bro. That make all the sense, man. Well, shit, we gotta get the people to love it. It's New Music Monday. Yeah, man. We got a new single on the way. What's the name of this single? Man, the name of the singer that's on the way now, or the one we about to do? The one we about to do right now. LEEOH LITT. My boy LEEOH LITT, single LEEOH LITT. Yeah. That right there let you know he ain't playing by LEEOH LITT. You see my shirt, you know what I mean? Yeah, dog. LEEOH LITT. You feel me? Love yourself, you know what I mean? You got to love yourself, bro. Got to, bro. You got to. You got to love yourself, man. And hopefully the people gonna love the music. I know I do, man. So. All right, we better get into it, man. New Music Monday, man. Yep. LEEOH LITT, featuring the single LEEOH LITT. Facts. And we about to get motherfucking lit. Let's go. I love this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Why you the lit? This day that we make it up, we gonna legit. This day go crazy, AG. I hit a lick, big old lick. This that if we make it out, we go legit. This that if we close our mouth, we know he rich. This that be the Parker. Spider-Man, I'm parking. Say my neck move was a jet move with a bad move. I swear life is crazy. I was in lab late like April. Now I'm in first class like Xavier. Night crib, night neighbors. High bills, high haters. And we won't stop till the whole block got acres. Did it with caution. Look at my wife in the office. They like, what did it cost us? I'm talking plenty of losses. I'm talking
majority, bring the majority. I just became the authority. I got a thing for the loyalty. I got a thing for the royalty. I got a thing for the forges. Women that spoil me, never can bore me. If you know, like I know, lit like those enchiladas. Came up with a boss, go break a bank, don't break a promise. Ain't what you say, it's how you say it, move in silence. Ain't gon' cry about it, what don't break it, make it solid. Too lit, candle lit, Leo lit, never switch, plead the fifth, keep it lit. Bust down at the bust down, I'ma need this lit. I hit a lick, big old lick. This that if we make it out, we go legit. This that if we close our mouth, we know we rich. This that Peter Parker, Spider-Man, I'm parking. I hit a lick, big old lick. This that if we make it out, we go legit. This that if we close our mouth, we know we rich. This that Peter Parker, Spider-Man, I'm parking.
I don't want to talk about that. I'm still goddamn. Hey, right? Leo, I like him.
Thank you, bro.
I like that one, gang.
Bro. That's what I really wanted to give off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wanted to represent who I am. You know what I mean?
Oh no, you did that one.
Yeah, bro. Even though at one point we was on one particular side.
No,
now we on this side.
Yeah.
And this is what it is.
It's lit.
Lit.
Man, it's lit, man. Hey, listen. And lit ain't necessarily, lit can be whatever lit you want to be. You can be lit sitting in your house and looking off your back porch, but it's your crib and everybody eating and it's lit, man. It's just we lit, man. It's a good feel good song. Fucking with it, man.
Thank you, bro.
We gonna see it. The people fucking with it. Yeah. Y'all hit the like, subscribe, man.
Please.
Listen. Yeah, my boy Leo lit, man.
That's right.
Tell these people where they can follow you at, man.
Y'all can follow me on Instagram on LEEOH LITT. That's LEEOH. LITT. Also, of course, I'm on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, all of those platforms. I'm also on TikTok. You can also find me on YouTube as well under the same name, LEEOH LITT. You know, I try to keep everything under one platform, one name, just to make it easy for you guys. So make sure y'all tap in, follow me. I follow you back, man. You need any advice, want to build on some music, just hit me up, man. I definitely
get in with them, man. With the features, y'all better get them in now. Yeah. Listen, y'all better get the features in now. Yeah, my boy on every platform, known the man, stop playing.
Stop playing.
Business together.
Stop playing. Yeah.
Like I said, man, I'm glad you came. Bless me, man. New Music Mondays, man. Hey, listen, LEEOH LITT, man, Big Ducky, man. We are absolutely out there, man. You understand me?
Yeah.
Well,